Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2005 Suzuki C50 Boulevard. This middleweight cruiser is in great shape with 28,500 miles on it. Got a few highlights on it, got a few scratches and dings, but no signs of any down damage. So let's take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up for you. One of the nice additions that they've done on this bike is they've put the highway lights on it with visors. Front tire's in good shape, got plenty of miles left on that. As you can see, we've got a few little nicks and scratches here on the front fender from it actually being ridden. So, and again, this comes with OEM footboards for the driver. And then a little scuff here on the exhaust. Another little nick here on the tail. This also has the rear chrome fender trim. This bike will be getting a new back tire. So we've got some scuffing here on the rear fender and another little nick here. So like I said, it's got a few imperfections on it, but nothing major. Doesn't show any signs it's ever been tipped over or laid down. So again, footboards for the driver. Heel toe shifter setup. So we'll notice here a little mark on the lever and on the edge of the mirror here. So to me that looks like that's probably got rubbed up against the wall. Nothing else shows a sign that it's been down on this side, so that looks more like a rub mark than anything else. Now, this would be a great starter bike for a rider. I'll show you these miles here. 28,409 is what's on it. I'm going to set the camera down here. Starts right up, runs excellent. I think the baffles might be removed in this one too. A little bit deeper sound to the exhaust. This C50 Boulevard will be going through our pre-sale inspection, and as with all our other motorcycles, for the entire time you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and your accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.